Hello YouTube. Yes, so last time we created our class, imported the Java doc and external jars. Behind before I wasn't making videos. I sorted this out, made this. So if you probably get a red underline like this, it's easy fix, just type return false. So I'll tell you how this works. But normally I'll do 5 minutes because it takes a while to upload. So try 10 minutes, see how long that takes to upload. Right. So basically, public final logger. Basically, the logger is the console. So when the when you start the console and your plugin is loading, this is what it says. So plugin description, it will say the description of the plugin in your plugin.yml which we will create later on, and then this.logger.info, so it will get the name of your plugin and then also put after has been disabled. So it will come up as, for example, tutorial space has been disabled, and the same for enabled. This.logger.info PDF file, which is just the plugin, get name from the plugin.yml version, so get the plugin version and then tell you that it's been enabled. This boolean is just telling you, telling the plugin what basically on and off. So if a user types in a command, so will happen. This is saying, instead of writing player all the time, you write lowercase player, which equals player, which is that sender. So let's start making our commands. So what you want to do is if command label dot equals ignore case, speech marks, whatever they're called, I don't even care, and then you type in your command would go here. So what should I put it as? Tutorial, and then wiggly bracket. Don't even know what it's called, so just call it wiggly bracket. If you want to give the player if require permission, you do if player dot has permission, then your permission would go here, speech brackets, tutorial dot main, for example, and then you do wiggly bracket again to close it, and then to send the player a message, you do player dot send message chat color, or what color should we have? Let's have aqua. I don't use that quite well. And then tutorial plugin created for YouTube, and then semicolon. You could also give a player an item. For example, you do player dot get inventory dot add item new item stack, and then that. Then here you'd put material dot iron sword. Then just import that. Import. Make sure it's Bukkit, not Minecraft. Right, so when the user does the command /tutorial, if they have permission, tutorial.main, then do this, which will send the player a message. It won't broadcast, so nobody else can see it, only the player. So it would say chatcolor.aqua, which this would be in aqua color, so tutorial plugin created for YouTube. Player.getInventory.add item new type item stack material.iron sword. Basically, it gives the player an iron sword, so when they type that command, they receive an iron sword. Just trying to think what else you could do. you could, oh yeah, here, so if they didn't have permission, so here, if they didn't have permission, you should do else player dot send message chat color dot red plus speech marks. You do not have permission to this command. So when the player does not have access to tutorial.main, they will get sent this message saying you don't have permission to do this command, and they will not get anything from that's inside there. What else? We could make another command. If command label dot equals ignore case tutorial, I'm just gonna call it tutorials, squiggly bracket, if player dot has permission tutorial dot tutorials, then do the following: player dot send message tutorials. Well, I spelled tutorials wrong, and tutorials there. Right, and then if you want to add like a chat color dot dark, I will have dark green plus. There we go. We could do some teleporting, maybe it's a bit too advanced for now. Yeah, so we'll make the plugin.yml then. Basically what we do is that, project that, new, file, plugin.yml, finish. I'm just going to copy the plugin.yml from a different project because I can't bother to write it all out. Obviously once your project gets bigger, it'll be somewhere along the lines of this, so you just do copy that, close. Bear in mind I have a lot of errors with plugin.yml, so don't be surprised if it goes wrong. So tutorial, and then your main is where your thingy is, so you go to source, so it's me.unique.tutorial.main version 1.0 commands tutorial, then you just space twice description, main command for I think we're gonna have to finish off next video and we'll also test it out as well, and then tutorials, second command for tutorial. Then for your permissions, which you put here, which is tutorial.main, should change this, tutorial.main, space description, main permission to command / tutorial default. So if your default is true, then they wouldn't need the permission, but we'll set it to op for the sake of it, so op players will automatically get that permission. Then tutorials description, main permission to command / oh my god, I can't type, tutorials default ops. So again, only ops will we have to get that. So if we save that, refresh it, no, wrong package again, refresh it just in case. Oh, we don't have enough time to export it. So I'll end the video now, and then next video I'll show you how to export it, save it as .jar, and then yeah, upload it to your server, and then we'll test it out as well. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.